Hi YouTube. Um, I decided to make a video about my Beko washing machine. Model is WM5100W. Basically, what happened to it? It's as soon as you switch into the washing mode, it spins for a couple seconds at the fast rate and then cuts off. And it does that for few times. Try to spin it as it should be actually slower, but it spins faster, and then it just comes to the end, complete standstill. I took apart all washing machine. I thought this must be something easy like brushes and stuff, so I looked into the brushes is fine. Looked into drain clean as well, and then everything pointed out at the PCB control unit. First idea I had is just to buy a new one. As usual, I went on eBay, and I actually was surprised by the price of it. Like, for this piece they ask about 47-48 quid, so I thought it's a bit too expensive, overpriced. Like, for literally few parts, it's just too overpriced in my opinion. So I start fiddling around with this PCB board, try to find out what's wrong with it, and I found this couple triacs. Just pack it up. One of them was, let me show you. One of them was on this side of board, which is supposed to be here. Same package as this one, but this is replacement. Actually, it's different package, but actually same triac. And this is actually Z0103MN, which you can buy in two different packages. One of them is like that, one of them is like that. So I couldn't find this package, I replaced it with this packaging. And another one triac is, pack it up, is at this heat sink, this big thing with the 3 legs over here. His number is BTB16600BW. So people, if you will have ever problem with Beko machine, or probably even with another Beko machine, say in WM series, with similar problems like spinning fast for a couple seconds and then stops, so more likely is your triac is gone. So basically all that repair cost me about 4 quid. Both parts I ordered from eBay, came quick, so I done. Thank you very much for attention. Bye.